Want to know how to display latest post or recent post in WordPress or WooCommerce? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WooCommerce or WordPress and make sure you are on admin panel of your website. Now, once you're there, just simply head towards post or pages in one of these two and then select an existing one. So once you've selected any existing one, here you should be directed to an edit page right here. Now once you're there, just simply select this plus block right here once you've selected any empty text box. Now once you've selected the plus icon, just simply select browse all. Now you can just simply scroll down and find it. You can just simply sort for it as well. So since you are searching up latest post, just type in latest post. So right here you should see latest post, latest Instagram post and much more. So I'll just select the default latest post right here. So this should drag it and drop it to you right here. So you can just drag and drop it as well, just like this. And now here you should be seeing your rename title and with a reference name hello world. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.